I'm oh, I'm going to get an alignment and new tires on and alignment today. The new tires right there, and I have to fit them in the car. So I'm gonna try and do that real quick because I was supposed to leave 5 minutes ago, but it's okay. We'll make it work. So let's see if we can get them in the car. Hey, we're definitely doing this the sketchy way, but whatever works, baby. Let's go. I mean, hey, they're still here. Let's see if it holds on, right? See you there. Since I got my alignment. I think there's going to be a previous video before this, like a little cinematic, little fun video that I filmed at the shop, but went to a awesome dude, ASB alignment here in Sac, guy named Vadim. He's super chill. These are my updated specs. It's basically as much as you can go to stock on coilovers, because I do have Fortunato coilovers, which I don't like because I basically have to have -3 camber in the rear, and when I put my tires up to like normal driving PSI, it causes my car to slip. Found that out because of my boy Philly. So typically I've been keeping it at like basically 25 PSI, but then obviously the tire wears down faster. And I know I can change / fix that with getting adjustable upper control arms, but they're like $500, and I don't feel like investing that into the car right now because I can maybe get it another time or something. So other than that, it drives good. I got these tires. Yeah, anyway, so I went on a drive to kind of break in the tires, and it went fine. But yeah, I did notice it was a little squirrely because he pumped it up to like 35, 36 psi, which again I just don't do. Yeah. So today I just have a couple things I want to swap out. I got this keychain from a local company here in Sac called Super Drive, so I'm gonna swap it out for this old keychain that I've had for a little while. And then I'm gonna put on an ASB sticker, probably this one, this sticker and that sticker, and then I'm gonna try and put on the new emblems that I got, well, sort of emblems, for them to be black. And before I do that, I'm gonna wash the car because it's dirty and it doesn't, you know, stickers don't stick if it's dirty. So let me just give you a little taste of what it looks like back here. It's a little black. Let's see if you can see it. Yeah, it's dirty. Those two are super dirty.
Brother,
Let's go and wash the car. It's like 80 degrees apparently now in California. I pulled the car into the garage, and I figure since I'm already washing it, I'm gonna ceramic coat the wheels. I might as well vacuum, so we're just gonna fully clean this hoe out today. So we'll see after that. Excuse the background noise, the laundry machine is going on. But I probably cleaned and detailed this car to the most extent I ever have since I've had it. So she's basically as shiny and pretty as I'm gonna get her. So now we're gonna go through and install some of the stuff that I was talking about. So just line it up here. Boom, baby. Boom. There we go. I think it's flipped on the camera, but that's pretty cool. And of course, from the boys, got a little message from them too. Alright. Next is getting this symbol, or this S installed instead of the Honda logo that I had. So I'm going to go ahead and clean up, probably can't see that, but I'm going to clean that up, that hole, and then let's install it. Looks pretty sweet, honestly. Here we go. I think it doesn't look too bad, except for obviously that paint scratch miss right there, but it's okay, we'll figure that out. Let's go do the rear one. All right, number 2. Oh, focus. Number 2 is done. I think that looks pretty good too. Let's go do some stickers. Okay, I have a sticker mocked up here, and I don't know if it works really well or not, but I kind of just want to send it. Unless I maybe can. You know what, I'm gonna try it and we'll see how it turns out. So I also got this dope cup holder right here. It folds out like that. This thing pops up. A nice little cup holder, because if you use the one in the actual car, if you ever have a drink, it gets in the way of shifting. So cool company that I don't know, I'll put them up on the screen, made it, and it's just a direct mount to these bolts, and it hopefully stays out of the way of the passenger too if it's not in use, obviously. So let's do that real quick. Boom. Easy cup holder, baby. I'm like super sweaty because I was working outside, but this is the next day. I have a couple errands to do, so I'm gonna go grab some stuff, drop off some stuff, and then we'll look over the car and just yap a little bit, because that's what I want to do. So let's do it. So I had this cool idea to set up this shot on the camera and then film with or film it and then just talking to my DJI mic and kind of, you know, voice that over here because the shot itself looks pretty dope. But I forgot to transfer the mic sound, the file, before I formatted the mic because I was having issues with it. That's one big boom right there. After this, I went on a drive where I was going on a drive in the back roads a little bit, and I was just kind of venting a little bit, just talking about some stuff. Not only did the camera not record any of the drive, it also did not record the audio from the microphone. So this kind of was all a sucky failure, but it is what it is. We'll figure it out next time, so yeah.